Okay, Ella can't quite get to her Cheerios yet. No, you can't get those Cheerios yet, can you? You're trying. You're trying. Yeah, you are. You just don't have the coordination quite yet. Oh, it's frustrating. Almost, almost. Here, I'll push them back for you. Okay. Not quite. It'll be soon. It'll be soon. Here. Here. Take this one. Take this one. Take that one. There you go. Chew on that one. There you go. Do you like your Cheerios? You kind of look like an old man when you're chewing on them. With no teeth. Well, you have 2 teeth.